Idabi lobunkokheli kwibandla lase International Pentecost Holiness Church Liyaqhubeka. Lecawe ijongene nenkqubo yezomthetho ephathelele kulandelelwano lobunkokheli kusukela oko kwasweleka inkokheli yecawe uClayton Modise ngo-2016 kwenyana abathathu bakaModise bonke bexhuthisana ngobunkokheli. Izolo isigqeba sebandla sibambe indibano nonondaba ukuchaza ngemeko yebandla ngeli xesha elembandezelo. Intatheli yethu yendaba uJabulani Ntsele ibilapho kwaye ifakele ngxelo.
Ibandla le-International Pentecost Holiness Church ngaphansi kobuholi bamadodana amabili kaMbhishobhi M.G. Modise owadlule emhlabeni ngonyaka ka-2016 ngempela sonto libambe isithangamisa bezwi kulezi ndaba ukuze licacise ngokuqhubekayo nangomumo walo kulandela umbango wokuphatha leli sonto usuze wafika ezinkantolo. Leli bandla libalwa namabandla amakhulu kakhulu e-Afrika ngoNtulikazi kunyaka ka-2020 laba ngundabamlonyeni emva kokuba lihlaselwe ekuwumkhululalo esilo Zirpankoma amalungu okusola ukuthi awolunye uhlangothi ayehlome engovolo kwisigameko sokudubula esadlule nemphefumulo yabantu abahlanu kwalimala abantu abaningi.
The two Modise brothers being Tate Tshepiso Samuel Modise and Tate Leonard Frederick Modise have on Tuesday, the 4th of July 2023, taken a decision to withdraw the succession matter before the High Court, which is in Gauteng Division, Pretoria, under case number 11935 of 2016 and case number 14038 of 2019 respectively. This decision, difficult as it was for the church and for the Modise family, was taken after careful consideration of all the relevant factors. The decision was taken after proper consultation with the legal team, the Modise family members, who all agreed that it is the right thing to do at this stage.
Wahlabela phambili ukuthi bakholwa ukuthi umthetho waseNingizimu Afrika ubahluleke kakhulu ethempeleni ukuba basiba abantu abathandazayo ngabe sebezithathele umthetho ngezabo izandla.
If we were not praying people, we would have taken the law into our own hands. But we believe in fairness, we believe in the just cause of justice, and we still feel that the law enforcement agencies, the judiciary, somehow they are really failing us.
Uqula kalolu daba lokuthi ubani ofanele ukhola leli bandla eselehlukene phakathi kukhona bangaphansi ke kweZirpankoma kukhona abangasohlangothini lwaseJerusalema kugcine ngonhlolanja kulonyaka ka-2023 nokugcine kuvela ukuthi ke ijaji eliphethe lolu daba selithole izinzongo zokubulawa. Kodwa ke noma kunjalo lolu daba beliqhubeka namhlanje inkantolo ephakeme ePitoli nokubonakale izinkulungwane ngezinkulungwane ezamalunga aphuma kohlangothini lwaseJerusalema ziphume ngobuningi bazo ke ukuzokweseka abaholi babo. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, nginguJabulani Ntsele, ngiseZirpankoma.